is Katie Bubar, and today we are making Madelines. First up, I'm going to beat together 1 cup of sugar and 4 eggs. I'm going to mix this together for 8 minutes. Okay, so now that the sugar and eggs are whipped, we are going to gently fold half of it into our flour, baking soda, and salt mixture. So let's pour in about half, not too much because this is a very delicate recipe. And we are going to fold it in very gently. So this is definitely coming together very nicely. Okay, so now we are going to be pouring half of this melted butter into this beautiful Madeleine dough. About half, not too much. And we do not want to overwork this batter. This is a very delicate, very rich dough. So now pour the rest of this beautiful melted butter. Okay, so now that this is all mixed, we're going to put saran wrap over it, but there's a very specific way. You're going to make it touch the batter. You're going to gently make it touch the batter so it doesn't create a skin. Now let's put it in the fridge. Alright, so now that this beautiful Madeleine dough has been resting in the fridge for about, honestly, 8 hours, we are now finally going to shape it into, I don't know what size, but about small balls. And we're going to place it in the center of each of these beautifully lined pans with flour and butter. So let's get our first dough. And it's okay if it's not exact, but just try your best and just place it in the middle. Let's do that for all of these. There we go. Okay, so now that these are molded, we are going to put these in for 8 minutes. We're going to put them on the vertical way. We want these on the same rack so they can bake evenly. There we go, 8 minutes. Alright, so now that these are hot and fresh out of the oven, we're going to use powdered sugar to put it all over it. This looks really good. These are our finished results of beautiful Madelines resting for 8 hours and powdered sugar on top.